Good afternoon everyone, this is Devika and my friend Shirshma and Vishka. We are studying 8th class in Master Science English Medium School. Today we done the name rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is the collection and storage of the rainwater and rather than allowing it to run out. Rainwater is collected from the roof-like surface and redirected to the tank, borewell or reservoir with the percolation so that it seeps down and restores the groundwater. It includes watering gardens and livestock, domestic use for the proper treatment. This harvested water can be used for a long time of storage. Rainwater harvesting is one of the oldest and simplest method of a self-supply of households, etc. It provides water when drought occurs. Rainwater harvesting increases the availability of water during dry seasons by increasing the levels of dried borewells and surfaces. Thank you for listening. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Have a nice day.